Nearly 3,000 years ago, way over in Greece, this fella named Aesop said, "A man is known by the company he keeps." He also said, "We hang the petty thieves and appoint the great ones to public office." But that's another saying for another commercial. Now, we here at Mathews Brothers are pretty sure that if good old Aesop were alive today and living somewhere in New England, he'd more than likely say, "You can judge a company by the men and women it keeps." He'd also be inclusive. And he'd be right. The reason our wicked awesome windows and doors are so wicked awesome is because of the dedicated men and women who come in day after day. Accounting pays the bills so purchasing can bring in the raw materials that engineering specified so production can make the windows confirmed by customer service and sent over to scheduling via a network maintained around the clock by IT, all under the watchful eyes of HR and safety. Then distribution delivers them. You can see the result of this group effort, but only at Better Lumberyards and Window Professionals or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with one T, America's oldest window manufacturer.